Alright, let's jump into the fascinating world of space fitness. Rocket. Today, we're going to explore how astronauts and even us earthlings can stay in shape in zero gravity. Introducing the concept of space fitness, it's not just about looking good in a spacesuit, it's crucial for astronauts' health both in space and when they return to Earth. In space, the lack of gravity can wreak havoc on the human body. Muscles can weaken, bones can lose density, and even basic movements become a challenge. Imagine trying to do a push-up when you keep floating away. But fear not, astronauts have come up with creative ways to adapt traditional exercises. Squats become a ballet of floating movements, and push-ups require straps to keep you grounded. It's like a workout and a dance performance in one. Now, here comes the exciting part, the key moment. Scientists and engineers have developed innovative space workout devices to help astronauts combat muscle and bone loss. Imagine a high-tech resistance machine that works in zero gravity. It's like something out of a sci-fi movie. To wrap it up, staying active in space is not just about looking good, it's about maintaining health and well-being. And hey, the benefits aren't just for astronauts. The principles of space fitness can inspire us all to get moving and stay fit on Earth. So, what are you waiting for? Give these space fitness exercises a try and share your experience in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more out-of-this-world content. Milky Way, flex biceps.